is our official test, road test number 1. Introduce yourself.
I'm Cameron.
Cameron will be our crash test dummy today. All right, so I'm guessing they're gonna do it on mark, you set, right?
Imagine. On your mark, get set, go.
How'd it feel, Cam?
That's pretty good, man. Could use some foot rest, but other than that, it's all right.
I'm thinking about making some. Maybe even goes good in the grass.
You can't lose.
Yeah, it's pretty wet out here. It's kind of soft.
It is.
Try another one.
All right.
On your mark.
Get set, go. Do you feel like you're gonna die?
Yeah. I feel like it was probably a bad day to not wear a helmet. Maybe we can make some out of some like empty milk jugs or something.
All right. Test drive number 1. Successful.
Now he needs a beer.
Just a nap.
If you don't see Cameron for Cameron's corners, this is why.
Yeah.
There's some cup holders here on the side.
That's what I
A
said.
couple of cold ones there waiting.
You guys trying to kill me?
No, I'm talking about for the race, so you can hydrate. You know.
I think we need to put some of these, these crappy guitars that people keep giving us to think they're helping us. They're laying around. I think we need to mount them
On the side.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah. I still want to close off this panel here.
Yeah.
Too bad you can't make them like the rail part of like the roller coaster, so when it comes down, it looks like you're playing the guitar, but the rail is holding you in.
Look, I can do that, just not in 48 hours with everything else we have to do.
Woo!
I can do that.
Minimal amount of time.
Let me go get one of those crappy guitars. Hit pause. Do you like this? Or do you like this? This isn't bad right here.
I know, it kind of fits there.
We've got that hole where I cut them out of the other car.
Yeah.
So you can just come up through there with a hanger,
Yeah.
lean them back. Yeah.
I like that.
I like that.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Yeah, that looks good. Great. More to do. There she is.
In all her glory.
We need a name. We name everything.
I'd say the red rocket, but that has awful connotations.
That green.
Guys, is this a car right here?
There's gonna be, yeah. Oh look, there's an old Earnhardt tribute car.
That was cool.
Josh, we need to make one of these.
Divisions around the area.
Should be getting some good footage, huh?
It's
race car.
so
Look at
short.
that bumper built seat. Look at that aluminum TIG weld on that seat. I think
yeah.
I know the guy who welded that seat.
Guys,
Really?
guys, where's the handle?
Steve Wilson. You can't get in there.
Patriot sliding sideways. Oh my gosh, those old Intimidator seats working like a spoiler. They're doing it. They got speed coming out of the corner, but here comes that Catrina halfway. Catrina's waiting. It's going to be Local Patriot.